Hello, my boy. You are on the Slavic channel. And the real Slavic channel always has a recipe for okroshka. You see, all Slavs are born with glasses, a hat, a balaclava, and the ability to make okroshka. And their first word is блять. Everyone gets to wear a hat. Everyone gets a creepy neighbor named Vadim. Maybe it's one Vadim for everyone. Some may wear a balaclava, but not everyone. It's too hot in it. And no one but Slavs can make okroshka. If the channel does not have a recipe for okroshka, you are caught by the hand, Western spy. And I am also tired of editing fancy videos. At the end, I'll tell you the most important rule of okroshka. So, pay attention, comrade. So, sausages. Or Don't go. Or bologna, aka monster sausage. Or chicken breast. As much as possible. Cucumbers. As much as you want. Hello. It is the Valencia Petrovna. He lives in my fridge. Hehehe. Eggs. X. Раз, два. Potato. Not much. It's tricky. It's got carbs. Enough is enough. You just get a little distracted and BAM! Your ass is the size of a barge. Sour cream. Salt. Here it is. Kvass. Green onion. Stop it. Green onions. Dill. And some more green crap. So let's get started. Take the potatoes, блять. Wash them, блять. Like this. Так. Раз. If you wash hard enough, you won't have to peel it. There you go. Pour water into the pot, блять. Pour water. Water. Put the potatoes in it. Is it working? Yes it is. Do you think that's it? No! The section my Slavic grandma calls life hack. Put your eggs along with the potatoes in your hot pot, senpai. Who is my senpai, Boris? So then notice me. Cover the pot with your крышка. So you don't have to get a second pot. That way you don't have to wait in vain for the water to heat up. While they are boiling, let's get some sausage. You don't have any sausage? Whatever, get the chicken fillet. It's even healthier and you can eat more. Cut it like in the TikTok videos. 1, 2, 3. Ой, блять. 1, 2, 3. What stupid TikTok life hacks? 1, 2, 3.
I'm gay.
Like this. Get it naked. Let me see you strip. Вот так вот. Вот так вот. Let's test it. Oh, yeah, it's good. If you are from USA, you call it bologna. So dice it up. You know, don't work too hard, but cut it so it fits in your mouth. The yellow barrel my subscribers said me to buy it. There's never too much sausage. But if you are a vegan, don't use your falafel. Just eat it without sausage. Take more potatoes, more cucumbers, and we'll be okay. Narwhals, living in the ocean. Alright, that's it. All aboard! Don't be shy to use your hands. They're clean, aren't they? Just don't scratch your butt while you are cooking. Cucumbers. First of all, cut off their, these spots. The Slavs call them жопки. Cucumbers butts. Жопки. You have to cut them off because they can be bitter. Cucumber bitter butts. Now, dice it up. Just leave a small tail like this. And it will not crumble, you see? And if you will not leave a small tail, it will crumble. Such a big vocabulary remark, блин. And don't forget about the cat paw, so you can slice it very fast. But be careful, because, you know, everything can happen. I will do a special video about the adventures of my finger. Okay, we've diced it up into the pot. Right now, my little assistant said me, don't say we have diced it up, because everybody will think you are not a native speaker. Because, you know, there are no more reasons to think I'm not a native speaker, so say it like, woof, diced it up. Do you feel like I'm native speaker right now? Do you feel it right now? Come on, I forgot to put on my microphone. So, my friend, the food is almost ready. There is nothing else to cut yet. Come on, it's not even boiling yet. Ah! Yes, I know I have the miracle of editing, but now I have to wait. And you know, the people say YouTube likes the long videos, so we have the way to make one. Блин. Где доширак? Get over here! Dinner snack. You know, doshirak is the main Slavic food. Man, this is already a commercial. I'm too small for this. You know, any instant random noodles are the main Slavic food. You are very lucky today, my boy, because today we have the recipe inside the recipe. Look at this fork. How you can eat with it? Eh? The noise you hear is my teapot boiling the water for this miracles dish. Let's pour some water. It is the very instant noodles. Look, look, look. Now it will start growing. Oh, the eggs are calling for me. Eggs. You fish them out, блять. Put them in cold water. And to clean them easily, you have to shake or break them. The water goes through the cracks and the shells come off. Keeps from mark. Already cooked? Oh man. Is it ready? Come on! It is the food. It is the cure. Especially if you have drank too much. This is the Slavic tradition. And today I have the yellow one. But if you are the real Slav, you have to buy the red one. The most spicy. Your eyes will pop out. Your ass will explode. That's the way we'll like it. You have to train your stomach before you eat. While the potato is boiling, let's chop the greens. The dill, the onion and this crap, petrushka. Or you can replace it with celery, because I see no difference between them. Well, maybe a little, блядь. The green celery, not the root. Chopping the greens. How to do it? You take the greens, you take the knife, you do not harm yourself. Wait. We will use it later. I'm like Gordon Ramsay. Look. It's beautiful. Yeah. The yellow barrel. Why is it called like this? In the Soviet times, we had the yellow barrels with kvass on the street at the summer time. You just go for it, pay some money, the woman gives you the bottle or the glass, and you drink it or take it away. But after the Soviet Union disappeared, it turned out that the sanitary and cleanliness of these barrels is not so good. I will not tell you a story about little white worms at the bottom, because nobody cleaned it ever. But now these barrels are not so popular. So now we're drinking it from the bottles, and no one knows about the factory and what's going on in there. You know less, you live better. Fill our bowl with greens. Don't be afraid of me using two bowls, it is temporary. So now, опа, let's get the potatoes out. Ай, блядь, ай. Use your spoon. Раз, два, три. And we still have some yushka left. It is potato broth. It's your potato bro. Oh, блядь. It's hot. Let's wait a little.
Курица, скорее всего, это вот какое-то животное, типа таракана. У него 4 ножки, оно бегает. Вот они его поймали, внутри тут вынули.
Okay, so let's peel the potatoes a little. There you go. And now let's cut it. Hop. Look at this. The village potato. The sweet. Maybe. You can use batat or yams. Because this is like potato, but sweet. We already can make a small sandwich. The onion. Now, hi. Let's grab our eggs and peel it. Like I've said before, if you will crush the shells of your eggs, they will be peeled easier. Hop. Look, Also you can hit every side of it, like this. Or roll it, will be even more easy to peel it. And the easiest way to peel your eggs is to do this. Pop! I call this technique the video editing. If you are an old Slav, you can save it and blend it and eat it. The elder Slavs believe they will be healthy if they eat eggshells. Let's chop the eggs. You take the egg, you do the chop randomly. What are you in the restaurant? But if you want to make some fancy окрошка to bring it to your family feast, then okay, you can try a bit more. So we have our pot. Here it is. We have our chopped eggs. Add your cucumbers, add your sausage. Let's mix it a little. Mix it so everybody will get their sausage. If you are having hard times right now, you can add more potatoes and less sausages and will be more nutritious. You can eat less and be more happy for the same money. If it is the summer, the potato is almost free, the cucumbers are almost free. So done. This is the окрошка extract. You can make a whole pile of it, put it in the fridge and eat it for days. In fact, you can eat it just like that. Just take your plate, put some окрошка on it, and then you'll get a classic potato salad. A light touch of mayonnaise and the celery crab. It looks exactly like the old Soviet столовая, dinery, but this окрошка is fresh. This is the first option. You can also put some salt and pepper. You may put radish in it, or you may not put it. It's your окрошка, do what you want. The main thing is not to salt this salad in the pot, otherwise the cucumbers will turn into pickles. Although, why not? But we'll go deeper. Kvass. Many people say that it is a strange drink, but in fact kvass is like beer, only tasty. It has a lot of bread flavor and almost no alcohol. It's like liquid bread, like astronaut food. If you don't like kvass or can't get it anywhere, don't worry, a lot of Slavs don't like to add kvass. There are several options. The kvass, also you can put kefir in it, like this, or ayran. It is the creamy mineral water. Some actually add mineral water, but why? Salt everything, блять. Add sour cream on top. You don't have to make this sound. It is my thing. If you have not sour cream, If you have not sour cream, you can use yogurt or mayonnaise or Greek yogurt or Bulgarian yogurt or American yogurt, whatever. You can use ketchup, it is your окрошка, come on. And a little bit of greens. And now you have the real Slavic окрошка. Ой, блять, look at this beautiful crab. Mamma mia, блять. That's good. The main rule of окрошка: know how to stop. It's a tricky dish. There's a lot of it. You'll eat the first bowl very easily. You'll have another one. You'll think you are full, but the окрошка will call to you in 10 minutes. You'll steal some concentrate from the pot. You'll pour another bowl. You're lazily salted. You'll forget the sour cream. You won't have fun anymore. And it won't taste as good, and your stomach will swell up like a balloon. In short, one bowl, that's it. 2 at the most, maybe 3. Bon appetit, comrade, блять. And at the end, the experiment that's been boring me all my life. For your health, comrade. Actually, it is okay, it is good, I like it. It reveals the new notes of the flavor of Pepsi. It smells like the cinnamon gum, come on. I liked it, but my little assistant said it's a piece of crap. So I don't know if you should try it. And that's all for today. My name is Mark. Subscribe, comment, like, and see you next time, блять!